Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, gather the necessary tools for this battery replacement. You will need a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure to work in a well-lit area for better visibility. First, ensure that your vacuum is unplugged from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Start by turning the vacuum over to access the battery compartment. You will notice two screws at the base of the battery cover. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You might need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open carefully if it's stuck. With the cover removed, you can now see the battery. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean the internal area. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Now, disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it away from the terminal. Make sure to pull it straight out to avoid damaging the wires. If you find the battery is stuck, gently wiggle it until it comes free. At this point, you can install the new battery. Align it properly with the connector and push it in until it clicks into place. Reconnect the battery connector, ensuring it is secure. Next, replace the battery cover. Align it with the base and press down gently. Then, take the T15 Torx screws and securely fasten them back into place. Ensure they are tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Your vacuum should now be ready for use. However, if you feel uncertain about performing this task yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can handle the battery replacement for you. Also, if you prefer not to travel, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring a hassle-free experience. No calls, no travel, just convenient service at your fingertips. Before any repair, we will provide you with a quote, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, after replacing the battery, test your vacuum to ensure it's functioning properly. Turn it on and check for any unusual sounds or issues. If everything is working well, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the battery in your Dyson SV07. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our team is here to help you with any vacuum-related issues. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.